Hi everyone, it's a great pleasure for me to introduce the person who's sitting next to me here today, none other than Jennifer Ghosh, immediate past District Director, District 41. It's such a pleasure meeting you once again, Jenny.
Thank you so much, Abba. It's a pleasure meeting you too. In fact, I would like to tell the audience that Abba Hori is the past Division Director of Division J and the present Assistant Program Quality Director. She is a wonderful woman, a wonderful wife, and more importantly, she is a great leader.
Thank you so
You
much,
have some
Jenny.
questions for me, right?
Yes, but before that, I must say, whatever leadership I've learned, it has been you who has been my mentor in my journey here. But talking of what we are here for today, tell me something. When did you join Toastmasters?
Oh, way back in 2007?
Oh, really?
Yes,
And
13 years.
And I joined in 2016.
That's right.
So basically, we both began our journey in Toastmasters when we were 40 plus.
I was close to 50, in fact.
So life begins at 40, folks.
Life begins at any age, actually, if you ask me. Age is just a number, isn't it, guys? And we should not restrain ourselves from actually believing that at any age we can learn and we can grow into better versions of ourselves. So, if you're watching this, remember, life starts at 40 for us, but we also believe that there is no age to learning. Correct?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, Jenny, I must tell you, when I began Toastmasters, I thought I'd done everything. I had been on stage all my life. I was the principal of a school. My children were well settled. So I thought, what more? Maybe I'll just go and have a look and see what Toastmasters is all about. But believe me, ever since I've joined Toastmasters, I think it's the best thing that's happened to me. Being a principal, I've always been delivering speeches, been on stage, but I feel so good when my parents come, when the children's parents come and tell me, oh man, today's speech was better than the last. So, something is there in Toastmasters which has made me develop even more. What do you feel?
Absolutely. Frankly speaking, when I joined, I was already a senior manager in TCS. And when I went for a meeting, actually, I thought, oh my God, maybe this is not for me. But as the meeting progressed and I saw the type of sessions that they were having and the beautiful feedback which came after every segment was an eye-opener. I really enjoyed, especially the counter report. I'm feeling a little shy to say, but I still do have those crutch words of I know, you know, actually, basically, but it is definitely much less than what it was before. So I'm truly grateful for the journey that I've taken in Toastmasters, and I think more importantly, we also have this fraternity, where we grow together and we care for each other.
Yes.
That Toastmasters is, as you know, and everybody knows, it's a not-for-profit. Here we don't get any tangible gain, right? But whatever we get by seeing people growing in front of our eyes, changing miraculously, that is, I think, the best gift for you and me. Wouldn't you say so?
Absolutely. Talking of our counter, I remember when I joined Toastmasters, my first meeting, I thought I'm the best. So I walked into this room and I was taken aback. At 7:30 in the morning, there were these 20 ladies and men who were all dressed up in formals with a tie and suit and speaking perfect English. And I was like, oh my God, I never expected that. So that is when I delivered my first speech, I had 29 hours. I was totally mortified. I said, here was I thinking I'm going to just
The best.
the speech. I had 29 hours. And it's been so many years and I'm yet to, there's not been a single meeting where I don't have at least 2 or 3. From 29 it has come down to 2 and 3, but it has still not gone.
Yeah, it'll not go completely till we make a conscious effort. What I've seen is that normally when there is a prepared speech, you'll find less number of hours and moves. But when there's an impromptu
Impromptu.
speech, that's the time when you have to think and deliver. That's when, more of these ahs and
Yes.
mms come into our conversation. So, Abha, I've already told you the secret to my age, right? And I am already 60 plus. So, when are you becoming 60?
December.
Ah.
13th December 2000 dash dash.
Dash dash? No, that's not very
But I
revealing.
have major plans for my 60th birthday.
Okay, what are the plans? Let's hear.
I'm going to have an all-girls birthday party.
Okay, why all girls? Why not boys?
Because I plan to invite a male stripper.
Oh, wow.
And we all gonna have fun.
Fabulous.
And Jenny, you are definitely on the mailing list.
I'm sure.
So please get your dress ready because we have to rock.
Absolutely, your 60th birthday
Yes.
party can never be missed. And if you're having a male stripper, there's nothing like it.
Tell me something, some nice thing with you, some fun moment, your dirty secret.
My dirty secrets, till now, people have not been able to understand that I need a man in my life.
Oh,
Yeah.
with so many
Yeah,
men
with
around.
so many men around, nobody has even bothered to think
But
that nobody has realized, Abha, that I also need companionship. I need a man in my life to talk to be able to just have a cozy
With
conversation.
so many men around you, you still
Yeah.
haven't found one.
But
Oh my
that's
God.
the problem. Men get scared to, come close to me. I am really not that dangerous.
They say that men get naughty at 4 not 40, but I think men now are no longer naughty. They're probably all overstressed at work.
Very stressed out. Very
Look
stressed
at
out.
us.
Woo.
At 50 plus and 60 plus, we're still looking to have so much fun in life.
Absolutely, and that is what is life all about. Keep the stress aside, have fun, and when we can talk about it, that means that our hearts are absolutely clean.
Clear.
Yeah, and we really enjoy life as it comes, and that is what I think is the takeaway from our chat today, Abha.
Yes.
That people, the youngsters especially, should come forward, enjoy life, keep all the stress away, and maybe be another 40 in life.
Yes. So
Enjoy life at 40?
begins at 40.
Absolutely. Fun.